Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
We're the TheRcSaylors, and we're at our clubhouse right now trying to get warmed up before we go out and brave the cold to show you this video. What we're featuring today is a crazy cheap action cam. This is $20. It's actually $19.99, and it's by Furibee. It's basically a super cheap budget action cam. I have no idea if this is going to be good quality or not, but when I saw it, I had to pull the trigger on it because $20 is amazing. The way we like to test our action cams is putting them on a race drone, because that's pretty much 90% of the time how we use our action cams. So here on the TheRcSaylors, that's what we'll do. And I'll talk about the race drone in just a second. I love this thing, but first I want to take a look at what comes inside the box, because for $20, it should just be the action cam, right? Wrong. You actually get a lot of stuff. Now, if this were GoPro, I don't think we could get a case for our camera for less than $20. This is a waterproof case. Now, we're not going to use this today, but if Abby and I were vacation vlogging or something, or putting this on an RC truck, we'd probably use that protective shell. But for less weight, we want it to be just like this on our race drone. So here we have the camera itself. Now this says it's a 1080p HD camera. We have our power button and mode button on the front, just like most of them have, and an OK button, or kind of like go select button on top. It does need a micro SD card. It doesn't come with one, so you'll have to add one of your own there. We're going to use a class 10 32 gig, I think it is. And you see there it has a micro USB port to charge the camera. It does come with its own cord. You plug that into the micro SD port on the side, and then it's full USB on the other end. And on this side we have some up and down arrows for selecting things in the menu, like if you want to do slow motion or something like that. And the crazy thing is, unlike some of our GoPros, this one does have a screen on the back. So when you turn it on, it says Furibee, and then you can see a live shot of what you're trying to film. I've noticed it looks a little flushed compared to reality, but who knows what the actual image quality will look like. So you guys are going to see this when I'm seeing it as far as image quality goes. I was just so excited when I filmed this. I wanted to get the video out to you guys ASAP. So everything else that comes in the box here, we have some straps. So like a wrist strap, you can just strap this down to a bike or whatever you want. That was the bag for the USB cord. Here we have an actual bike mount, or really just any bar mount with rubber padding inside, which I think is amazing that it comes with that. And it will just clip onto this. Here is kind of like a case without the full shell around it. If you want better audio and you don't want to put it in the plastic big case, you can just pop it into that. Very common for them to come with that. And then we have the double-side sticky tape plastic mounts in here, which is what this clips onto. So you put it on a helmet or your RC truck. We have some adapters so we can get different angles if we need to. And that's what this is actually. This is to pop onto like a tripod if you already own a tripod. We also have spare foamy sticky pads and an instruction manual. So really, for this to be $20 and come with all that stuff is amazing. I just hope it looks halfway decent. So let's pop it on this race drone, which is new to our channel, and we'll fly it. This race drone was made by Stacy Abshire for me, kind of like a Christmas present. I bought the parts and he built it, and he did a build series on his channel, so if you want to check out that build series, I'll link it in the description box below. Very detailed. If you guys want to build your own race drone, I highly recommend that. If you've never seen his channel, he's an amazing race drone pilot, and he's actually going to lead our FPV race drones at our RCS Fest 2018. So if you guys want to come out and help Stacy Abshire and race drones with us and him, then be sure to sign up for our event. Now, without further ado, let's crank this thing up and get it in the air. We should be filming. You guys are on the drone. This is just a quick audio test so you can hear how this sounds if you wanted to vlog with it. I'm guessing probably not great. Remember, $20. It comes with all this crazy stuff. I can't believe it. Hopefully the picture quality is decent. What do you think, Abby?
I can't see the picture quality. I don't know.
Okay, time to fly. Got my goggles, got my transmitter. Let's do this.
Oh, that was fast.
Yeah, you gotta watch for that action cam for me to make sure I don't throw it off.
I gotta film you! Your face. Oh, I can't film this way because of the sun.
Oh no!
Here,
well, the drone itself is amazing. Probably the best race drone I've ever flown. I'm just not a very good pilot, not compared to Stacy. This is in air mode, which is so much fun. I've got crystal clear video signal, I love it, but we're testing that action cam. So hopefully what I'm doing for you guys is just giving you some smooth shots so you can see how the camera quality looks with as little vibrations and stuff as possible. And then I'm also trying to test how it looks with fast motion too, because that's important as well. So let's get a higher shot. That looks good. Yeah, let's come down now. Oh, there's my path. My weed trimmed path over Death Valley. Okay, let's fly around a little bit.
A lot of people were asking about FPV stuff at our event, RCS Fest 2018. We'll have the info linked in the description box, so be sure to click that little triangle or show more, depending on the device you're watching, so you can see more details about that event. Well, but it's going to be a lot of fun.
Our good friend Furibee Ninja is going to do some micro FPV stuff, and then Stacy Abshire is going to lead the race drone FPV stuff.
Yeah, I'm super excited about the
awesome
micro drone setup that Furibee Ninja is working on though, with like hoops and all sorts of fun things.
I love how this flies.
This is my first time getting to see this drone fly too.
You know what I don't get to do on my Walkera Furious 215 very much is yaw, because that can kill.
Wow!
Yeah, I can do some new stuff on this.
That was snappy.
Hopefully I haven't lost that action cam.
Snappy.
It does a lot of stuff that my other drone can't do.
I love that you have 3 different color props on your drone.
Well, you can thank Stacy for that.
I thought you broke some props.
No, I didn't break any. That's just how he set it up for me.
Oh, I like it. You should. You need 4 colors.
Whoa. Let's see. He does this thing a lot. I think it's the action camera still on there. He's a much better pilot than me. This is crazy fun though. You see the action cam? Here, we'll take a look. Is it on there?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Let's knock it off.
Or just make everybody puke.
Yeah.
Sorry guys.
This is amazing. And you know, it's just so cool to see these action cams. I remember about 1.5 years ago, maybe 2 years ago, to get something around this quality was maybe $100, you know, and now they're $20 for a cheap little action cam. Definitely not going to be the best quality in the world, but it might just get the job done for somebody that is on a budget, but they still want to record their flights. Let's give it one more quick little
13
flight.
volts.
13 volts.
13.9 volts.
Time to land. Time to land. Now that is just a little sag because I punched the throttle, so
14.8
see,
volts.
it went back up to 14.8.
14.7 volts.
And he is using a Tyrannus transmitter. We'll have everything, the action camera, all the parts for the drone, the transmitter, everything linked in that description box below, and especially RCS Fest 2018 info.
What do you guys think of this $20 action cam? I just thought we had to share it with you. Hopefully you like it.
is crazy.
It is insane. It comes with all that stuff too. Can I land without going upside down?
See.
Upside down? No! The right side up.
Good job, baby.
There you have it, guys. $20 action cam. It looks like it's still filming. Now it's off. I can't believe it. And the race drone itself, amazing. Thanks a lot, Stacy, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.